So as you can see, guys, I have the Delta Executor icon right here. I can execute it and of course open it up. And
What's happening, people? Your boy is back and ready to show you how we can get the only working Delta Executor. As you can see, that little green icon will be the Delta Executor. So you can see what you can do with it, guys. I will show you all about it just in a very bit. And of course, I will show you and guide you how we can get the Delta Executor for Roblox. So let's go.
So as you can see, guys, I have the Delta Executor icon right here. I can execute it and of course open it up. And you can see all of the new stuff, all of the new additions that you can have with the Delta Executor, guys. Also some preloaded scripts right here that you can use however you want and just enjoy playing your favorite games on Roblox totally differently from now on with the Delta Executor. So now for the gameplay part, let me show you the full step-by-step process on how we can get the Delta Executor for both iOS and Android devices. Make sure to have your Wi-Fi on, do not use any type of VPN connections, and then open up any browser, but search for rawcrack.com. On rawcrack.com, you will scroll down just a little bit and then find the Delta Executor button. So tap on the Get Executor and then proceed further, where you will need to enter your username. So make sure to enter the correct one, of course, and then you will continue. So after proceeding with the next steps, guys, what we will need to do is simple. You will select a script. So Photoshop can do the trick for you for a lot of games. You saw +1 keyboard, Blocks Fruits, 99 Nights, Murder Mystery, I mean, you name it, and Photoshop will cover it. So you will be doing that later on after you add the Delta Executor. You can add a bunch more scripts. So just go crazy on this site, guys. It is the place to be, rawcrack.com. So now you have been redirected to the last step, where you will need to complete something in order for you to receive the Delta Executor. So you will have two options to complete. The first one will be, for example, open up some games or apps and download them from the official App Store, Google Play Store. You will be redirected to it. So not only download, but install plus play 3 games for 5 minutes each. Something simple like that. Or you will have a faster way to open up some questionnaires, follow those questions, answer them, and that is how you go ahead, guys, and complete the Delta Executor and get it, of course. So the questionnaires will be a faster way. The apps will take a little bit longer, not too longer, but still you can choose between one of those two methods. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this was useful as it was for me. If you have further questions, drop them in the comment section. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Goodbye.